Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very easy and beautiful pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies cardigans, shawls, caps. This pattern is very soft to wear. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 2 stitches and plus 2 stitches for border. And this is of only 4 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 16 stitches, multiple of 2 7 times and plus 2 for edge. So let us start now. Slip first stitch and then loop stitch after 2 stitches. So here we have increased 1 stitch, again second yarn over and then knit 2 stitches. That means we have increased here 2 stitches. Now pass these 2 stitches over knitted stitches like this. This is our first repeat pattern. Again loop stitch after 2 stitches, second repeat. This is our second repeat pattern. Loop stitch and then yarn in front. Here we have increased 1 more stitch by yarn over and then knit 2 stitches. Now these 2 stitches we have to pass over 2 knitted stitches like this. This is our second repeat pattern. Again third repeat, loop stitch after 2 stitches, 1 more yarn over and then knit 2 stitches. Now pass these 2 extra stitches over knitted 2 stitches. This is our third repeat pattern. Again fourth repeat, loop stitch after 2 stitches, yarn in front and then knit 2 stitches. Here we have increased 2 stitches. Now pass these 2 stitches over knitted 2 stitches. Again next repeat, loop stitch, second yarn over and then knit 2 stitches. Now pass these 2 stitches over knitted stitches. Again loop stitch, yarn over and then knit 2 stitches. Pass extra 2 stitches over knitted 2 stitches like this. Now this is our last repeat pattern. Loop stitch, yarn over and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass these 2 stitches over knitted stitches like this. Now purl last edge stitch. This is our first row. Now second row from wrong side, slip first stitch and then purl all stitches. Complete row with all purl stitches. Purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row from back side. Now third row from front side, slip first stitch and then knit one stitch. Now here loop stitch after 2 stitches. See, loop stitch should come in between of these 2 loop stitches. Loop stitch and then yarn over and knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass these 2 extra stitches over knitted 2 stitches. You can see here we have created loop stitch between previous 2 knitted stitches. Now second repeat, loop stitch, yarn over and then knit 2 stitches, pass 2 stitches over knitted 2 stitches. Again next repeat, loop stitch and then yarn over and knit 2 stitches. Pass 2 extra stitches over knitted 2 stitches. Now next repeat, loop stitch after 2 stitches, yarn over and then knit 2 stitches, pass 2 extra stitches over knitted 2 stitches. Again loop stitch after 2 stitches, yarn over and then knit 2 stitches. Now pass 2 extra stitches over knitted 2 stitches. Again next repeat, loop stitch, yarn over and knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass extra stitches which we have newly created over knitted 2 stitches. After completing repeat patterns, knit 1 stitch and then purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now fourth row from wrong side. Slip first stitch and then purl all stitches, slip 1 stitch, purl all stitches till the end of the row. Purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed fourth row and also last row of our pattern. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.